What a run here on the SPY, the SP 500 index, breaking through key resistance levels and pushing up to new highs here since hitting below 500. We're back up here at 543, and in today's volatility, our SPY bot sent out a bull indicator at 12:55 p.m. and from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, and a bull indicator with real strength there on 42 vision, and call options went up 500% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets, check out the link down below in the description to our 42 vision indicators, getting connected to our inflow versus outflow, and also joining the members using 42 vision within the volatility, and you can gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description. It's a great way to learn charts along the way if you're a beginning or learning investor, and even an experienced investor can benefit from the edge and clarity it brings within the volatility. The link is down below in the description and in the top pinned comment. We look forward to getting you connected and having you join us. So, strong move here. You could see this inflow level historically way back here when things started to pick up back on Monday at that 44 level. We came back down to it, and now it popped back up, right? Hitting in that area of 485, 486, bouncing up and retesting that resistance from yesterday where those outflows accelerated into the close, and then it pulled back and it formed a strong support and resistance area here. And this is where 42 vision shines with our inflow versus outflow to give you that edge and clarity. And you could see when those outflows are dominating, right? Red here is actual outflows dominating, and then bluish purple indigo is inflows dominating. You could see that there, those inflows dominating, using that area of support there of 494, breaking through that resistance and retesting up here a historic level of outflows back up here at 545, guys. This is crucial to not ignore in this volatility, and this is 42 vision. And if it's your first time coming across the channel, it gives us that edge to see clearly the trends and the strength and weaknesses within the charts, and it gives us those confirmations. And again, you can get connected and join the members using it. The link is down below in the description and in the top pinned comment. So the SPY here, very strong move. And if we zoom out even further, we have a bull indicator on the 30-minute since down here at the 494 level, and some strong inflows here of 11.7 million. Okay, so now we have multiple bull indicators on the 30-minute, even the 15-minute and 5-minute. And then you have those strong inflows back to back. But when we zoom out to the 1 hour, we have a bull indicator canceling yesterday's bear indicator from 510. You can see those inflows there since the pre-market, and it was holding up this chart. As long as it did not go below 485 or even down below 490, it was holding itself up, and it fought above 493, 495 before getting that bull indicator confirmation. And then on top of that, those inflows continuing to dominate. You could see it there. And we have historic levels up here at 550, and then also on the 30-minute, if we go ahead and zoom back in, up here at 555. These are some critical levels based off the charts and the inflow versus outflow, and you could see that here. So let's zoom into the 3-minute and see this tight range. So we have here inflows picking up here at 531, coming up to a historical resistance up here of outflow levels back on April 3rd, Thursday of last week at 546, and that's where things slowed down. So that's going to be a crucial level to break through. If we reject and come back down, the first support is 532, and then below that is all the way down towards 508. So in between that, I'll be watching 520 before reassessing and looking at lower levels. Now, the SPY has been moving nearly almost every single day, 20 to 40 points. So anything below 508 is even possible, or even retesting, right? So we'll have to reassess those levels to the downside. To the upside, I'm going to be watching for these bull indicators to continue to hold true and then break through the resistance up here in this tight range of 547. And then when we zoom back out, above that comes the 550 area. And on the 30-minute, a clear level up here based off the history of those outflows up here, dominating back on Wednesday of last week at the 555 level. So those are the key levels I'll be watching to the upside and to the downside. The bull and bear indicators are going to be crucial, and these inflow versus outflows, I'm going to be watching their strengths And in the lower time frames, we could see here how it sets up clear areas of support and resistance within the volatility and confirms why charts are holding up, and the bull and bear indicators add that extra layer of confirmation of the trend. So if it's your first time coming across the channel, you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets, because volatility is not going anywhere, check out the link down below in the description and in the top pinned comment to get connected to our inflow versus outflow and our bull and bear indicators and our bots, and join the members using 42 Vision to gain that edge within the volatility of the charts and market. And you can now gain access to it and have that vision and clarity and edge within the volatility, and having a clear perspective on strengths of support and resistance with data and information in the charts, and followed by the strength of trends with the bull and bear indicators, adding those extra layers of confirmation. We look forward to getting you connected and having you join us. The link is down below in the description. And as always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.